Hello. Yo, Mars. How's it going? What the hell? Where's our RPG? Where's the RPG? Oh, I hit it yesterday, I think. Boom. And gameplay. And skin showcase. What the hell? Where's our skins? Oh, there it is. Yeah, put it over, let's put it right here. In the wishlist button. Put it over here. It's going. It's going here too. I do have another doctor's appointment or ENT thing I'm going to pretty soon. So we're gonna try to speed run this stream. Let's try to figure out what we're gonna do today too. Nice first. Showing on player. What else do we have to do? Oh no, I keep pressing this. Ah. Stop. Mm-hmm. Okay, what are we doing today? Hey, buddy, Mr. PC. What's up, buddy? How you doing, Daniel Pancake? What's up? How you doing? Today's 4/29. What are we doing today? So close to graduation? When's graduation? Where should I put chat? Right here? That's a nice spot, I think. Perhaps. Don't we have our own chat? Hide chat? Show chat? I had a thing like this before. Hide? Chat? I don't know. It was working before. 2, 3. Okay, no, never mind. Maybe I disabled it. Causing chaos and burning it all down? Yes. Let's do it. Where's our where's the filter thing we had? I remember. It's becoming less and less every stream, yeah. Oh, you're kind of transparent. You know, wearing IEMs are it's kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie. I think I definitely still prefer headphones. Here, wait. The only reason why I wanted to not wear these headphones anymore was because I was concerned maybe something was wrong with my ears. But I'm going to the ENT today, so they'll tell me if something's wrong. Let me be clear. What? I can't see Daniel anymore. Oh wait, I missed your message. 1 second. Ah, that's so much better. Is it? Wait. Hello? Hello. Yeah, it's weird. Like the IEMs, they capture the noise inside your brain, so it's a little weird. Okay. What are we doing today? But I might need to get new headphones. These things are like almost 7 years old. They've served me well. In fact, I don't even want to see them go. Yo, Culkus. Yo, Culkus, how's it going? Memory X headphone brand. I'm not sure. I was looking at these at a specific set. I forgot what they're called. BD 720 or something like that. Ugh. Bless. Gesundheit. Thank you. Oh man, my allergies, they're kicking in. I have to go outside today too. There's a cutest emote. Yeah, it is a pretty cute. Pretty cute cat. We gotta fix this up. We gotta fix some level design. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna do some quick level design too for chapter 5. Chapter 5 updates. We're gonna speedrun this. Chapter 5 updates on level design. We're gonna work so fast today. You guys are gonna be impressed. And this is how we're always gonna work going forward. Maybe. Basically measured the delay by sneezing and then waiting for someone to respond. Perhaps give or take their words per minute. Ew. I sneezed on my hand and now my hand is wet. Full of snot liquids. Where do we want to start? Do we just start from the beginning? I'll start from like right here. You know what? Let's start from here. What the hell? Oh, we didn't save. I really want to play more Oblivion, but it's dangerous. I had to hold myself back yesterday. I wanted to play more after stream. Do we have the automatic scene switcher? I don't think so. Here, wait. What the hell's going on with this overlay, though? Why does it look like that? What the hell? Something's, like, sticking out of the screen. That's why, probably. It's probably this. No? This? Oh, there we go. It's this. I'll hide it. Actually, we don't even need gameplay to show on this scene, do we? But does it mess with my main scene? It does. Because it's, Here, wait. 1 second. We have to make sure we do this properly. Copy this, go back to game, get rid of this overlay. Paste a duplicate here. Hide this. Oh god. Who did this? Who allowed this to happen? Why am I in the middle of the screen? Who put me there? Oh no. Why is this? Oh my goodness. Okay, start over. This is why we don't get anything done on stream. There we go. Automatic scene switcher, we go into... Yeah, this one goes back to the main scene, and we start this one. So now if I click here, go back here, and then if we click on game, we go here. Bow, bow, wow, wow, wow. Awesome. K-Tronics, how's it going? Kent, how's it going? Got nothing done last night. I spent the night stream hopping. Wow, 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 wow. It's fun though, right? Stream hopping. What the hell? Was that a bug? Oh no no. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, right, because, what the hell? Handle dash or... Oh! I do want to fix this. I mean, refactor this part, but, what was it? Can dash again? The thing is... Oh, man, this is gonna be weird. Ah, man, should we fix this now? Wow, 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 wow. Nah, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Well. Also, we have no fudging in this mechanic. Ah, should we do fudging today too? All right, first room that's already an issue is this one right here. We can't... How do we do this? You gotta, like... Well, you can technically, but it's very, very tight. Too tight, I think. I do like it, though. It is still technically possible. Here, current room. What room is 392? It'd be kind of cool to have some like testing features as well on our editor. I don't know how fast I can do that though. Speedrunning, adding random features. Yeah, let's just make this whole section less tight. Also, wait, we have to go into our editor resource manager. And we want to go into chapter 4, 4, 4, save, load, save. I went for a walk this weekend. That was a waste of potential dev time, but it felt good. I've been walking a little bit more lately too, and biking. It does feel good, huh? What else is going on with this section though? Bow, wow, wow, wow. You know what? Wait, let me go into our spikes too. Spike. Why is the Z index of this thing so low? It has to be one below our. Should we do this on the ready? We have a ready function on this thing. Oh, I think yeah. Let's just put a ready. And it's gonna be equal to global dot. I forgot what we call this. Background main tom map is this, and I think it's -2, I guess. Z index. Wait, we'll do this. Yeah, Z index is equal to global main tom map Z index -2. Okay. But yeah, how's everyone's Tuesday? I hope it's well. I hope it's going well. All right, so this is fix everything. Oh, I didn't mean to run it. I just want the ready to start. But our spike tile map, I guess, is also not set. Was it main tile map Z index -1? Also, yeah, we could say visible is false, but first, let me. Oh my goodness! All right, close this. 392. I have too many Discord messages. I'm missing everything. Also, where's our camera? Can't really see it. I guess we could just do this, right? Nice little. Yeah, it's not bad. It's so shaky though. I don't know what to do about that. You have a keyboard cam? Great for typing passwords, yeah. I'm pretty paranoid. Like, I turn off all my cameras after my stream, or like I move them out of the way. Technically, though, yeah, I won't say anything. I don't know. But yeah, I also have this. Oh wait, yeah. I also have this feature if you really want to see my password. I can turn it off on stream. Okay, back to work. What was I doing? I forgot. Oh wait, oops, it's engine.editor and not I wrote something else. I wrote os.editor hint. Can decrypt keys on the sound they make on the distance from the keyboard. Yeah. What the hell? os.editor. I thought I wrote here. Let me go back into our spike then. Actually, we're already here. Let's see. What the hell? What the flip is going on here? See? Because I wrote os.editor and it's supposed to be engine. Zero G Scout. How's it going? What did I want to do though? Well, also, yeah, we wanted this on the. Let me do if engine. Oh my goodness! Now, yeah, my camera is pretty shaky, huh? Wait, let me see it. Maybe I can fix that. If I put like less slack on the wire, holding it up, maybe it's like carried more. But maybe I just need a more stable monitor holder thing. Oh my goodness. What were you doing? Also, the camera's now kind of weird, huh? Whatever. Also, thank you for the bits, by the way. I forgot to. Also, I think someone subbed to me yesterday. I don't think I thanked them. Who was it? Did they? Did someone sub yesterday? I could have sworn someone subbed because it said 30, or maybe it just counted as 31 and I didn't. Was it? No, yeah, never mind. Never mind. I guess it just keeps track of your subs. Z index is equal to global.main tomap. What did we want to do here? Good day. How's it going, Camilo? Here, let's perhaps maybe reduce the amount of twilight we see here. Have them. Yeah, maybe we'll just make this part easier. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Okay. How you doing, Camilo Dev? Boring stream. Have you seen what Jackie is doing? I was on her stream a bit. I saw she was playing games. Oh my goodness. I don't think it's gonna look like this in game, but it looks kind of bad at the moment. Let's go back in here. A super unhinged game right now. This is why we get nothing done on stream, because now I have to. Now I'm curious. Now now you've piqued my interest. Is her stream my hand? Is that what her stream is? Oh my god! Oh my god! What the? That's interesting. Shout out Jackie Codes, most wholesome streamer I know. We love Jackie. Playing a wholesome what is this? Like a purple what's the emoji everyone uses on the phone? Freaking an eggplant, yeah. Eggplant growing simulator. Okay. Oh wait, what the hell? I wanted to change our players, but you know what? Fuck it. Let's just keep going. Yo, Lesmo Pixels, how's it going? Also, shout out Lesmo Pixels. They've been working on the player animations. Trying to figure out what to have for breakfast. Oh God, what the hell is going on here? It appears we've broken our textures here. I need a better way to edit our rooms, because at the moment I have to run this script and it's like generating the re-importing images on Godot. It takes a hot minute. I didn't make a tool script for it, but at the same time it's a bit spaghetti. Yo, meet a bus. What are our options, Lesmo Pixels, for breakfast today? Oh, wait, let me move our player. I had some food in my rice cooker last night, and I'm not sure if you're supposed to be eating it, but I ate it anyway. Like, I don't know, like, it was, like, the time, the rice cooker shows how long it's been on, like, stay warm for, and it was, like, about 14 hours, but I had so much food in there, I couldn't let it go to waste, so that's what I ate for breakfast. So if I die, you know why. But I think it's fine. I think it stays hot enough for, like, bacteria not to grow. But I don't know, actually. I just say that to make myself feel good. All right. So yeah. Okay. Now it's updated. Oatmeal pancakes. Get another batch of biscuits. We just finished one. Considering going out to grab cereal. But cereal is pricey. Oatmeal. I feel like everyone says oatmeal's like really good for you, huh? Oh, see, this is the issue with our PNGs is that it doesn't update until like I tell it to tell it to update. But then it takes too long. I know I don't have the patience for it. Here, let's see how long it takes. Load your oatmeal with sugar. Oh, so I don't know how much better you can get. Have you heard of xylitol? Tall? Is that how you spell it? No, that is not how you spell it. It's like a sugar alternative, and it's kind of good for you. And it's also good for your teeth. It eats the bacteria, and it's sugary. Oh, what the hell? I did not mean to copy Jackie Codes. Here's how you spell it. Natural sugar, found in plants. Yeah. Can you cook it? That's a good question. I don't know, actually. Yes. Just be careful. Yeah, it's actually. I think it's pretty good. Good for your teeth too. Some toothpastes have it inside of it. But there is you can overdose on it. And also, if you have pets, if you have a dog, you're like do not let it anywhere near your dog, unless you want a dead dog. See, it didn't even know what the hell is going on here. Um. So yeah, I've done this and I've run this, but it appears like still it doesn't update. Um. Here, let's see that image though. What is this? Room 392. Yeah, I wish I worked this quickly. I don't know if I'm actually working quickly though. I feel like I'm pretending to. What the hell? This is the wrong chapter too. Wrong chapter texture, but it looks like it already updated. Yeah. Glutton for dairy. I'm not sure if it has an effect on cats. I would look into it. Wait, I have to go back into my editor resource. Yeah, whoops. This will be chapter 5. The bagel was a one-off where ADHD made me forget it existed. Bagel's a good choice. I'm trying to think if there's a quick solution for us to edit these rooms. I mean, yeah, we can disable the tile map. It's just gonna look ugly. And also, here, let me see something. Do I disable? Yeah, I mean, we can just mess with this one. I wish I cleaned up. My scripts are so messy right now. I don't want to deal with it. Let me run it one more time. So yeah, we're still seeing the old one. Here, wait, let me see something. Can I hide this? And what do we see afterwards? And then can I are we like clearing these things? What's going on here? Yeah, I think we are, but I don't remember where. Why are we doing it here? Is it in here? Main tile map node, clear. Use new tile map. It's when we're creating the area 2D. Spike area. 2D. Oh yeah, this setting here. Use new tile map sprites. You know what we should do? We should just have another variable called clear tile map sprites. What? Game settings. What? What the hell? It's not even here. Game settings. Editor stuff. Yeah, oh, right here. What the hell? Why is my camera so tilted now? I can't even reach. Mm-hmm. I feel like this is more trouble than it's worth. Wait. Wait. Where's our overhead camera? How's that? Why is this making my life so difficult? There we go. All right. Where were we? Let's go back. Wait, this is only on editor hint. Oh no, not editor hint. My bad. All right, there we go. I mean, okay. At least we can test it out now. Okay. Has potential. Now I gotta figure out why this map looks so weird, or why does this section look so weird? Because we hit it. Okay. You know what we could do also? If no, sorry, not this. Game settings? Oh, but it depends on which one we want. Visible is equal to false. Here, let's do this. Let's go back into these settings. And we want one for sprites. We'll do use new Tom map sprites spikes and background. And for now, I'm going to set this to false. Depends on what we're messing with, though. Visible is equal to global game settings that use time lapse rights. Okay. Oh, this is just supposed to be used. Okay. Good enough. There we go. Okay. What do we think about this room? It is pretty tight for an early section. But it's not that tight. Oh my goodness, but how do you get that collectible? Yeah, it's not impossible. I'll leave it. Good enough. Alright. Let's check out this section. You know what we should do? Wait. What are we setting the Z index of our tile map here? Yeah, what the hell? What the flip, dude? It says main tile map -1. And what's our is it like local or something? What was it called? Dude, I do not want to go to the doctor today. Where the hell are we setting it? Zero. Let me run it again. Wow, 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 wow. It says 0. Twilight area viewport. It's all 0. What the flip, dude? What's this on 2? This is on 2 though. Tunnel tile map. So tunnel tile map has to be -2. What the hell? Is it like on a different? Is it because of the viewport? That's so weird. Main time up index minus. So what the hell is going on here? Let me see. Z is on our spike it's 0, and then on our tunnel tile map it's 2. It's not getting updated. Oh, it's because I think is it because we're duplicating it? Here, wait. If it's editor, oh, whoops. Let's do this. There we go. Wait, what the hell? Wait, what's area 2D? Let's get rid of this. Oh, maybe, I don't know if we actually fixed it. No. Something is strange here. If I make it not as relative, maybe, let's see. Honestly, having not as relative might be good for us. What the hell? Try -2? We're supposed to be speedrunning today. We're not speedrunning. See, rooms. So, tilemap sprites doesn't matter. Spike tilemap is at, wait, it's at 0. It's not supposed to be at 0. And then this is here, but our twilight also at 0. Inside the twilight, 0. And then here, it's at 2. All right, figure out why spike tilemap is being set to 0. Because on ready, we said z index is equal to main tilemap, which is 4. Wait. Oh, wait. Yeah, this is set to, okay, this is set to 2. And then where's our spike tilemap? Should be set to 3. Oh, because here. Oh my god. There we go. Okay. All right, this area I think was fine. Yeah, I think something's broken with the we have like almost infinite dashes sometimes. And I think this room is a little too difficult. Here, wait, let's what the hell? Oh yeah, 393. Okay, so with 390, I think this section could be a little less tight. Something like that. And here, let me see something. Womp, 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 womp. Here, I'm going to do something where if we run this tool... Yeah, we should just set this visibility all the time. And, let me see. Awesome, I think. No? Interesting, what the hell? Ready if editor hint. Oh, because we return early. Awesome. Where are the spikes though? Oh. So let's go back into global real quick. Set using timeout to false. This should have been set to invisible. Main is equal to use new tilemap sprites. Maybe I didn't save. There we go. No, what the hell? Maybe it doesn't run the ready. See something? We're being bamboozled here. Is it? Is the Z index? Oh, no. On type main, visible is equal to this, and we set this to false. Maybe it's not saving. Oh, whoops! I didn't mean to run that. Yeah, what the hell? It says it's true. What the hell? Game settings, gameplay. Yeah. Yeah, I set it to false, but maybe. Yeah, what the hell? It doesn't save here. Were you into Godot before Memory, or did you consider making the game from nothing in something like C? No, I was already starting with Godot. The plan was to use Godot, not to make Memory. All right, so now it's because we made it an export. I think, yeah, using exports on this tool doesn't really make sense. Here, wait. It still says true though. What the hell? Ugh. Here, wait. Let me, there's no point of using an export variable. Use tilemap sprites, false. Yeah, I'll just make it a... Oh, but we use an export to save it. This is annoying. What, do I need to like reload for this to work? You see? Yeah, let's just reload the project. Boom. What room was that again? 393, I think. All right, so yeah, okay. I think we're good now. Yes. And we want to do the same thing with our auto tile here. Boring stream. How's it going? If input bool. I'm just gonna do it. Oh my goodness, this script is like a monster. If editor hint, if input bool. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong one. Just want the ready. Or technically we do want it on the script. So the index is equal to, what is it, global dot main tile map. It's the index. Yes. And we also want it on the ready though. If new, if use new, but yeah. Did you beat Oblivion yesterday? I wanted to play more. I don't know, like I wonder, do people want me to play it on stream? It does keep me in check to not play it off stream. That way I can, like, you know, not have it consume my life. But I also enjoy, like, I don't know if people enjoy watching other people play an RPG game. Cause like, at least for me, you know, I like to take my time, you know. I don't mind, you know, like going on tangents. But I don't know if people like that. I feel like some people, as a watching a stream, you'd want to just see action all the time, perhaps. Oddly enough, some streamers do play video games instead of programming them. Yeah, what I mean is, like, why is the screen so dark? Is it because oh, I must have done this. It's because these are not unshaded, right? Usually we make them unshaded. But what I specifically with RPG is, like, I don't know. Usually I prefer, you know. Oh God. Personally, I don't know if I would want to watch someone else playing an RPG, is what I'm saying. All right, this room is good. Oh, wait. Let me see. Can you still collect this? Let me see if I can collect this collectible. It might be impossible now. It might be impossible. Oh, God. There's a bug there. How would you even get there? Huh. Oh my goodness. Here, wait. We gotta fix this room a bit. 3983. How you doing, Captain Enosa, though? I hope you're good. Because you know. Alright, so this room was okay. Yeah, the collectible here is weird. Set spawn, run that. Let's see what's going on here. If we made it lower, is that the solution? Also, we need more spikes. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, let's see. You hit this. Give the player more space. So you hit this, then you dash. Should I just get rid of the spike here? Also, again, this is still supposed to be on a higher z-index. Z-index is equal to main tile map z-index, and then our spike tile map. If not, oh, because we put it on, here, just put it on here. And z-index here is supposed to be a -1. Still. What the flip, dude? Why are you not working? There we go. You hit this node. You have no space to like dash back out this way, and I don't think you have the distance, I don't think. But here, we just try it out. Something like that. And communities, I don't really care for what they're doing. If you played games, hang out. Oh, I appreciate it. Yeah, I appreciate that. I guess for me, like, yeah, the way I play an RPG, I feel like it's kind of boring personally, but maybe people enjoy, like, I guess my attitude towards playing an RPG. I'm not sure. But yeah, I can respect that too. Or it's not the right way. I can understand that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, yeah, okay. Unless we make it so that the whole point of this section is that you're supposed to like fine tune your position, but I wouldn't even know how to do that. Let me see. How do I use my brain? You go like, oh no. Something like this, like this, like this, like this. So we have to go like this, then like this, then like this, then like this, and then okay. I mean, okay, it works. Here, let me make this a little tighter though. Not tighter, cleaner. Yo, North Pole, how's it going? Also, the thing is, we have so many other games that we could play too. You know, there's a Blueprints. Blueprints is also a lot of fun. I'm enjoying that one. Get rid of this. Oh, but we don't have enough. Or maybe it's a skill issue. Wait. It is possible, but it's not intuitive for the player. That's not good. We'd have to. I think we have to bring this wall closer. And I think there probably needs to be some sort of a better visual cue for what's going on there. I'll put it closer, but yeah, I need to figure out how we're gonna make that work. All right. I guess we could put spikes here. There's no reason why there isn't any. Because you have to hit this, then hit that. One second, I'm gonna chat. Oh no! Wait, can I still beat it? Yeah. Why, when we die, our tile maps are not being what the hell? Yeah, the colors of our rooms are incorrect. Let me see. Oh, come on, let me get me out. Yeah, what the hell? It's like our are we doing something weird with the I mean, it doesn't matter. We're usually not going to use this, but I wonder why it's not showing properly. All right, so yeah, this section definitely needs some updates. I don't even know if we can get the collectible anymore. Let's see. What makes this a boring stream? It's not stream 500. Stream 500 was like a big milestone, and now we're just back to square one again. Someone say boring. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, wait. What the heck? What the flip? I'm here to compete. Oh, okay. Another thing that we did recently was we lowered the height of a ground dash, and I don't know if we wanted to do that or Yeah, some designs might need to change because of it, but here, wait, let me see your Twilight real quick. How's it going, Jacob? On the floor. Where do we do this? Yeah, here we say Twilight. Well, we say negative 0.5. Yo, Magatron, how's it going? Thank you for the raid. Welcome, Raiders. Dissect AI. Welcome, Beegs. Welcome, Qmizu. Welcome, people. How you doing? Cyber Steffi. How was your stream? Welcome, people. Here, I'll show a little bit of my game, but in the meantime, tell me what's up. Why does it feel so cozy in here? I'm not sure. Maybe because it's boring right now, so it's there's no pressure to be exciting. I'm currently making some updates to our Twilight mechanic, and it's looking pretty good. The visuals, I love the visuals of it. Oh, wait, I can't see chat. Ready to run? Gotta check out my baby kitten. All right, I'll see ya. Hope your baby kitten is okay. It looks nearly as hard as the goblins. You know, I don't think the goblins are that hard. I think it's mainly a skill issue. All right. Also, this is also a skill issue, but not. It's not a skill issue in gameplay. It's a skill issue in programming, because I think we're messing something up here. What the hell? What the flip, dude? You see? So yeah, that's the mechanic right there. But something strange is happening with our coyote. We'll call it coyote time. I've returned, Bagel Eden. How is the bagel? Also, thank you for the follow. Kung Fu Pernas. You lost the game, Mags. Welcome. Yeah, if people are interested in my game, you can find the Steam page here. I'm hoping to get it out by June, early access. The game's already pretty much done, but we're just like tweaking a lot of stuff right now. Sounds like this reminds me of the anger playing Flappy Birds would induce. I would hope it's less strength than Flappy Birds. I hope I spent a decent amount of time making the player controller, satisfying enough, or responsive enough where, if you mess up, you're like, oh dang, I deserved to not do that well in that section. But yeah, there is a lot of spaghetti here that we have to fix. I'm kind of avoiding it right now. Bagel is delicious. Bagel shop right across the street with freshly baked. Oh, that's nice. Fresh bagels they're always a banger. Why is this over here? This RNG. But here, wait. Let me see something. On our bounce direction, we're doing some stuff with our when do I handle this? Enter Twilight. No, sorry. Enter dash. So enter Twilight dash. When we're on the ground, we say minimum pre-Twilight duration, which is 0.1 seconds, which actually is, I think, fine. Let me see something, though. What if I set it to max Twilight duration? You played Blueprints? I really like it. I want to play more of it. I wish it was a slightly shorter game, though, or like each run was shorter, because like it'd be cool to make it a redeem. All right, no, this is not it. The thing is, how we're calculating the speed of your Twilight dash is based on this time, and I think 0.1 seconds No, I thought we give it a minimum distance though. Here, wait. Calculate dash speed. Transition twilight dash speed is equal to calculate dash speed. No. Transition dash 4 times. Default. No. This is not it. It was, yeah, but I really enjoyed it. I want to play more of it. There's so many games now I want to play now. Right before release, it's perfect timing. There's, yeah, Blueprints and Oblivion, and then also I started playing a little bit of Alien Isolation. All right, where the hell did we do this? On here, let me see. Enter Twilight Dash. This, then we start the Twilight pause, and then after the pre-Twilight pause, so then update. If our substate is we do this, and then Twilight dash speed, current dash speed does not equal 0, default dash speed. When do we start the duration? Start Twilight Dash. Not this one. All right, so okay, here it is. If our Twilight is not in okay, current this right here is the minimum of our current Twilight Dash versus our default dash duration, which is 0.2. So yeah, we should have a 0.2 second dash. Why does it feel so weak though? Let me just make sure though. Yeah, it's 0.2. Okay. I guess I'm just delusional. I guess we want to figure out, do we want to keep it at 0.5 seconds? Do we still want to keep it at 0.5 seconds or at 0.5 dash speed? Here, let me see. Ground. Let's go back to the, what was it? Equals point equals 0. So yeah, if it's equal to 0 on either the floor or the ceiling, we just set it to 0.5. Let's try. Do I even need to determine Twilight direction? It's usually just based on. Let's just try it out. I don't think we have to do anything. Let me see. how is this the morning stream? Because everyone keeps asking me that, and I just repeat the same thing over and over. Oh. No, it's because yesterday was so significant of a stream that now like this has like we can't even compare this one. Uh-oh. How's it going, Just Cavino? Yeah. It was my own doing. All right, yeah. I think I prefer that. We'll have to see how it looks like with the rest of the game though. Wait, let me see. Yeah, it's not too bad. Mm-hmm. Planning out Godokon? I really need to do that. I still haven't even gotten an Airbnb. I mean, I looked at some places, but I really should have booked something already. Oh, come on. How are we going to? I need to make sure that I can actually beat this section. All right. Can be a tad pricey. Yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind going far though. I don't mind like traveling. I also do have a friend there, but I didn't ask him, and I think he also lives relatively far. But worst case scenario, maybe I have a backup plan, or I'll just camp out, sneak into MIT. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Don't forget to pack your bathing suit. Okay. Mm-hmm. You know, the last time I went to Boston, I think maybe it's because I have a New York ID, but they thought I was underage at a bar, and I think they gave me like an O'Doul or something, or like a non-alcoholic beer. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. You hit this node. I think we just have to make this part less tight. Here we go. Boston doesn't like New York all too much. Fenway Park. I have no idea. I don't know where I was. Let me see. I wasn't like in the heart of Boston, I don't think. No. I think I was closer to Somerville. I feel like that sounds familiar. Let me see. I don't know why. I mean, maybe they thought I was. It's okay if they think I'm young, but it's interesting that they gave me a. They were like, instead of, I don't think they even, actually, I don't even think they checked my ID. I think they just assumed I was underage and gave me a non-alcohol. Maybe, like, I know, bars can be held accountable for that kind of stuff. Oh, wait, what the hell? Where's my camera? What the flip? Where'd it go? Is my phone dead? Oh no, my phone. I must have. My phone accidentally got unplugged. It's okay. We have a backup. It'll just be poor quality for a little bit. Here. Does this camera work? Oh. Here, wait. I need a chroma key on this. Where's my chroma key on this one? It's not gonna be as good though. But honestly, by the time I get this going, my phone's probably gonna be charged. All right, go back here. Add my scene cam side. There we go. Yo, Birdsong technology. How's the Birdsong? What are the advancements of Birdsong technology? Yeah, I got some reality leakage right there though. That's annoying. Yeah, bro. One sec, ads. Okay. Got a roomie. How's it going? Welcome. All right, I think we're back. Why is it so bright though? What's going on here? Some weird exposure or something. Or was it always like that? Mm-hmm. Oh no! Why did it flip? All right, there we go. Is it the light? I think it's the light. All right, whatever. Good enough. Okay. Woke up a little while ago for the cats. Now I'm just doing some low key work on converting my project from ERP to HDRP. How about you? I'm currently just redesigning some of our levels because of some updates we've made to our movement in one of our features here. What's I don't know what ERP to HDRP is. Oh shit, wait, we don't even want to play in this room anymore. Fix this. P. Gorley. Wait, why does Full Box have a Unity spin? What the hell? What is this? Where are we going? Wait, what the hell? Yeah, our player's supposed to be here. Maybe I never updated it. Oh, I see. That's why we. Great for all devices is prettier, but not suitable for mobile or tetherless VR. I see. I see. Oh, yeah, this section's a little too tight, but I wonder, should I keep it? It's not terrible. I think we'll keep it. All right, and now let's just make sure we can collect this collectible here. Tell me a little bit about your project. I've been working on it for 4 years now. I'm getting ready to release it. In June. Well, early access in June. I'm still gonna be working on the game afterwards. Oh, okay. Wait. It needs to be possible. Heavily inspired by Celeste. If you haven't noticed already. Made in Godot. I think we should just bring this bring this wall a little closer. That should be good. Matthias, how's it going? What else could I share? What else could I share? Most of it has been streamed here on Twitch. That's another fun fact. Oh no! Oh my goodness. Well, actually, you can do that. That's not what I want to happen. I want to collect this collectible. Then come here, grab this, boom, and then go in here. How do we make that happen? It's impossible. It's never been done before. Yeah, you kind of need that angle, but I mean, it is possible. It just requires a little bit more effort. And nothing stopping for the player from just like technically just going here, double dashing or getting rid of their dash, and then resetting. Ugh. What are the red line? Oh yeah. It's mainly just for debugging. Jump is blue, red is dash, green is fall, etc., etc. I could also bring this. Oh yeah, you can do that too. All right, yeah, I'll leave it alone. Let's see what else we got here. So yeah, and now these rooms are way too tight. If we keep it like this, but honestly, it's not impossible. And yeah, and I forgot we also have charged dashes. I keep forgetting. You shouldn't have to charge your dash. But it is a feature. But yeah, I'll make it a little easier for the people. Let me see. Room 395. Basically just make this spike shorter and this wall longer. 395. Let's put our player over there too. Where you need to touch the ground. Well, only for this mechanic. The ball, you see the ball mechanic that we're like, usually it's similar to Celeste where like you can only reset your dash from touching the ground, but in this state, in the Twilight state, you can touch any platform or any flat surface. This is my first game. It's my first commercial project. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, you can find the Steam page here if you're interested. We had a Kickstarter and everything too. Okay, I'll bring this wall a little closer. So yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Coming out in June for early access. All right. 395. I do want to have I want to have a new script where we can change the player's main spawn. But we'd have to access this script right here. And yeah, should we do that right now? It would make our life easier maybe going forward. Here, let's edit this room and then we'll try it out. All right. Oh no. Mm-hmm. Oh, we could just do that. Yeah, I'll leave it. Fuck it. It's not terrible. Making a 3D relay, so 2D level design is interesting. Yeah, have you done what sort of I honestly don't know how level design works outside of platforming. Like I wouldn't even know how to approach it. Legend. Good morning. How's it going, David? And Crazy Ghost. How's blueprints? Oh, what the hell? All right, so portals are gonna be a little bit more weird now. It's not impossible. It's gonna be. I think we would have changed the design of these rooms if. Exit, and then we're exiting the. Oh, dude. I finally understand why we lose our dash. I can see clearly now. It was a skill issue. So, well, let me see. Yeah, because right now we get rid of the player's ability. I think we get rid of the player's ability to dash. When they exit a twilight and they start entering the fall state. But the thing is that the twilight state is so short here. So that's the problem. So what we should do is if you're exiting a twilight in twilight from the fall, then we don't set this to false. Also, yeah, this is a bug here. Our bounces are kind of... Wait, actually, do I like this? It's so high now. I low-key don't like it. But it's consistent, which is kind of nice. And it's also different from... Yeah, let's see how the rest of the game plays. You know what? I'm going to keep it. You compose these funky tunes yourself? No. This is just my Spotify, my playlist. A non-Spotify playlist that you can find on Spotify. What does your music sound like, SA? I'll show you. You want to hear the music for this exact chapter? Actually, I don't think I have it downloaded. 1 second. Stage 4. Here, let me download this. Wait, no, this is the ice chapter. Oh, here we go. You know what? Let me throw this into the game too. Mm. Why don't we see extensions? Oh wait, what? Inspired by Terraria's mushroom biome. Someone slugging through the early plumbing of what will be a commercial release. Any words of wisdom after many years? Words of wisdom. I guess keep your scope. I don't know. Like, part of me doesn't like that I spend so much time on my project, but at the same time, I don't know. I guess the grass is always greener, so I can't really say with confidence what's the best approach there. But try to keep your. I mean, even like with trying to keep your scope small, I feel like you're still gonna. Obviously, you're gonna. There's gonna be feature creep along the way. Also, try working on the administrative side of things early on. You know, try to. I like to say that I like to say that I'm building horizontally with everything I do, as in like trying to prepare for what's next after release, or during release, like my campaigns and stuff. But yeah, that's the song so far. It's pretty good. I like it. Did I read any game dev books? Not really. I mean, I've looked at like for like design stuff, yeah, but also there's so many YouTube videos that like Game Maker's Toolkit, for instance, like I feel like there are a lot of videos out there analyzing design. I want to say better than a lot of the books, or at least some of them are kind of outdated at this point. Have some recommendations? Yeah. I think the only one that I looked at seriously was the there's like the most popular one. Something about design. And I think one that says like called Level Up or something like that. Those are the only two ones I looked at. Masters of Doom by David Kushner is a biography on John Carmack and Romero. Really fascinating. Also game dev by Vlad. I'll check them out. Masters of Doom. Here, 1 second. Masters of Doom. David Kushner. Mm-hmm. 10 steps to making your first game successful. Developers of Dark. Yeah, maybe I'll check it out. I want to. I do want to read more. Like, but I find there's so much friction with like picking up a book for me. It's not good. What are we trying to do here? Listen to audiobooks and pop it on I see. Yeah. I used to do that too. Like biking and stuff. Pop up something. I've only read that twice. Mm-hmm. I think the rest of the game is pretty solid. This is not what our game typically looks like, by the way. The textures are. You might think, oh yeah, this looks pretty good, but I swear, they look even better. I promise. Yeah, I like this though. It's pretty good. Mm. Yo, maybe that's what we do for rooms that have twilights in them. Every time you're in a twilight section, the entire game is like pitch black. And the only way you can see the game is if you're in the twilight state. Mm-hmm. Can we beat this section? Oh no. I think we need some better Oh, actually, that's good. Does it say unlocked? It does. Oh god, where do we go? I can't see. Uh-oh. What the hell? Oh no, I think I overrid this because I was messing with some stuff. What was this? Bounce. What the hell? What the hell is all of this? Balance player. Where the hell? Handle force dash box. No. Here, when are we doing handle eyeball right here. Direction 2, true. If Twilight. Shouldn't it be negative this? Wait, no. Global position dot direction. Yeah. I think that's good. Hopefully. Oh, we said we were gonna add that feature where, like, if you're in the editor or if you're in the game, you can just like. Bah. Let me see if I can do that right now. Blood, Sweat, and Pixels by Jason Schreier. And mostly the crunch tales from the trenches from games like Witcher, Stardew Valley, Uncharted 4, and more. Some really great games. I see. Do you think it's applicable to you as like someone who's not? I mean, Stardew Valley I think was Soul developed, right? But those other larger projects, AAA projects. Wait. I don't know how we make this get all room dictionary. Let me see. Get all room information. Let me just see what that data looks like. Yeah, what's called though, like something data. Game data. No. Can you guys see my screen? Oh, okay, never mind. Player spawn position, closest room spawn, closest room to player. Oh yeah, so we just update this file. How long have you been streamer? Since 2020, December 2020. But I started on Twitch, I think, like 2 hours. I started on Twitch 2 hours ago. 2 years ago. So yeah, we could update this closest room to player to update this, but I'd have to grab this file. Where is this under? Chapter data? Save chapter data. In room connections. I want to run this on. Where do we run this? Because I don't want to run it on the. We want to load the information and then just update this closest room to player. Oh, but we have to run this closest room to position. No, we wouldn't run that. We would just run whatever the room is. I'm trying to think. How do we where's the load? chapter data. Let me just grab this. Only started streaming late November. It's a lot of fun. Oh, you stream too. I'll give you a follow. How you like streaming so far? So yeah, I have to throw this into. Should we just throw this into a room, or should we run this like? Let me see. Scene resource. Editor resource manager. What does this look like? But it's not a. Is it a resource? It's a resource. Here, let's do this. Throw this in here. Save chapter data on chapter name. Wait. Oh, wait. So load chapter data. We don't need any of this. Or we might need to say. We don't need instance rooms. We don't need any of this. Any of this. Mm-hmm. Helps keep you accountable, yeah. It does that for me too, but it also sometimes it definitely can be distracting. Most of my development of Memoria has been on stream, which has kept me accountable, but it also does take a toll on your productivity. Yeah, we don't care for any of this. We just want to update the current room. Also, thank you for the follow. Is there an overlay down? Should have thanked you. Yeah, what the hell? Weird. Okay, save, close this room. Our data. Chapter data, and then save chapter data. What is this song? Um, I don't think we even have to do this. Oh, we do need to save the player spawn position though. Oh, actually, no, we do not. Closest room to player. Player spawn position, player position. We do need to set the player position. Get player position in editor is equal to, we have to throw this in. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think we're good. Oh, do we have to set it as a string though? I forgot how that works. Let's see. Get player position in editor. Mm-hmm. It's a vector too. So maybe we like instance. Oh, we do some string to but this is only for loading the chapter data, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay. Where were we? It's equal to position. Um mm, okay. So then all we have to do is run this somewhere. So load chapter data. All right. Save closest room on current chapter name. Oh, okay. Sup, Adam? Set room data. Forgot what it's called. Editor resource manager. Should we do this on the no. I'm trying to think. It should just be a button, but I guess in our level manager, that's what has the chapter data. Do we know this on the world? Wait. Display name? Chapter dot display name? No. I'm just gonna hard code it for a second. I'm not even sure if this is gonna work. Um. We have to. I don't know where to run this on our level manager. Best place to run this. I guess in the world. No. Here, let's run it right here. What do we want to do? Save closest room. Oh no, we can't do this here. We have to do it in the just do it in the level manager. Why is it not showing? It's not a tool script. It is a tool script. Is there? Doesn't matter. Where'd it go? All right. Where do we want to run this though? I'm gonna make a new button. Just make it a U. Who knows what's gonna happen? Current room. All right. Something's bound to be broken. We should probably commit before we break everything. All right, let's give it a shot. Let me open up this. Oh, we have it. I think we have it right here, right? So yeah, right now it's room 273. See what happens. It's probably gonna break. Okay, 117. Press U. All right. Non-existent function update player. What the hell? Update player position data on editor resource manager. Oh, save closest room. Try it again. Okay, so I pressed it. Let's go into... What the hell? No, it still says 273. Closest room is equal to room name. Yeah, let's see. What else? Room name is 117. Position. Chapter data, chapter name. It seems like it didn't save it as a JSON though. Oh, whoops. Mm. Did it work now? No, no. Chapter 5 JSON. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? It does say 117 here though. What the hell? Then what's this? Why is there .json.json? Did we not need this then? Did it not update? What? What the flip, dude? I'll name this test. Oh yeah, it looks like it worked. Okay. So we're good. So if I restart the game now, we should spawn at room 17, 117. Yes. Okay. It's the little things, the simple things that make us happy in life. And now I'm in this room and I just press U and then go into level select and we should be in this room again. Not 117. Wait, what the hell? What the flip, dude? Did I write chapter? Oh my god. Now let's see if it updated though. Okay, yeah, I didn't. All right, we're good though. So yeah, I have to go to the doctor. I have to go to have an appointment soon. I mean, I have some time. It's in an hour and a half, and it's a 15-minute bike ride. All right, so press U, chapter data, go back to menu, start again. What? Oh wait, was it 112? Yeah, yeah. This is also how we would do checkpoints, sort of. So room 110. Cool. This room needs to be fixed. 387. What do we want to do? We can just put we can make this taller. I think that solves all of our problems. Oh no, I messed up. Oh, what the? Did I not mess up? I feel like I did mess up. Yo, thank you for the follow. Yeah, that's so weird. Cave. I wonder why sometimes I get notifications on follows and sometimes I don't. Oh my goodness, please, practical. Yeah, weird. Let me see. So it's from the fall state. Wait a second. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, we have to fix this. If you don't, as long as you don't enter the fall state, I think you have infinite dashes. But apparently it's fine. It's fine from the sub twilight. It's literally just from walls. Okay. We'll fix that. Oh, but it's a nice way to cheat while we're debugging. This is how it's let me try beating it the way it's supposed to be played. So like this, like this, like this, like this. Except on that one you want to do you want to go lower. Like that. Oh, we didn't die there. Yeah, there's some weird I have to fix our raycast as well. But yeah, it looks good. I like this. Let me see. Boom, boom, boom. Dash across. Dash this way. Let me see that again. Oh my goodness. I'm bad at my game. That's not supposed to happen. Let me see. So like this, like this, like this. Then ah. Come on. Should I make it easier? Hmm. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. What out? Wow, 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 wow. Oh my goodness. Please. So you're bouncing off this wall. This is not supposed to happen. Wait. Try that again. Made it too tall. Wow, 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 wow. Let's try that again. Wow, 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 wow. How do we do that part? You have to do a... Oh. Come on. This is too difficult. The only thing I could think of is that we just have to bring this closer. How many tiles is this? 7. 7 tiles? Or we let the player fall a little bit more. I could try to lower this a bit. And it also hints towards this secret section too. So they can see what's up. Let me see though. We're gonna make it back. We're gonna make. And the other thing is, you're gonna be going. I think no matter what, this has to be closer. Something like that. Wow, wow, wow. What the hell? This might be too tight. So, boom. So you go over here, try to get lower. Upright dash. I might have to make this a little... over here, hit this one. Get rid of all these spikes for now. Boom. I don't know if I'm making this harder. We'll see. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Oh my goodness. Come on, Practical. Everyone's watching. Okay. That wasn't supposed to... Okay. Here's the issue. We go from here. Unless we put another, well, we can put a ceiling here instead. But at that point, you can also just hit this wall and do an upright dash. Unless we put a secret down there, and that's the secret, or that's the interesting part. But then it's 2 secrets in 1 section. Is that what we want to do? Wah, 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 wah. We could also make this section a lot tighter. And then wah, 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 wah. I want to finish this section ASAP. Okay, we need a banger, and then we'll finish it. Corn dog is a beef Wellington in a different tax bracket. Ah, yes. Okay, it's almost perfect. It's almost perfect. Except how do I make this part easier for the player? We could put another wall right here. So we could do this. Boom, and then boom. No. We cannot do that. Because I want to force the player to go up. Actually... No. You know what? Whatever. It's fine. I think this is fine. But what I'll do is I'll put some spikes here. Maniac. There we go. I think this is it. This is our winner here. What the hell? What the flip, dude? What the flip? Let's get rid of this. No. 2 minutes. We have to finish this room in 2 minutes. Otherwise, we lose forever. Oh, wait. No, this should be fine. I'm just not good. Yes. Okay, and then boom. Boom. Okay, there we go. Oh. Oh. All right, well, we know it works. Mm. Thank you for the follow, Commander Ku. Oh, we got lucky there. Yes. Yes, it's perfect. Commander Ku, thank you. All right. So yeah, I do have a doctor's appointment I have to go to, so I do want to work more, but I must call it. But you know what? We wouldn't have got nearly as much work done if I didn't have this doctor's appointment. I would have taken things slow. And this was a productive almost 3 hours. So thank you. I wasn't supposed to stream today. That's also another bonus. All right. Set our new player position there. Who do we want to raid into? Maniac. Who we got? Too Much Tomato. Too Much Tomato's working on a pretty good game. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go for Too Much Tomato. Never enough tomato. If you want to wishlist my game, I'd greatly appreciate it. You can find the game there. And if you want to join my Discord, you can find that there. Oh look, Too Much Tomato also uses my camera as their background. That's pretty cool. I'll see you, everybody lurking. Pigorly, Mars, Adam, Birdsong, David. See you around, people. Bye-bye. Tomer, Kolkus, Crazy Ghost, Just Cavino, North Pole Light, Dissect. Goodbye. Till next time.